Welcome to Tijuana's rental market. Today, we're diving into the upscale Calete neighborhood with 6 properties for everyone, from high-end luxury condos to fun urban living spaces. Our first stop is a remodeled private property nestled in the heart of the neighborhood. This property combines privacy with contemporary design, offering residents a peaceful retreat while staying close to all local amenities. Here, we have a stunning, minimalist loft with a private walled patio. The unit is a brand new construction. Embrace modern, clean, minimal luxury living in downtown Tijuana. Next, we visit the Adgr Toro, a modern high-rise with unbeatable views of the city, paired with top-tier amenities, designed for those who value both style and convenience. A sleek one-bedroom studio within Adgr Toro offers open living space, with large windows to take in the cityscape from above. Enjoy modern, clean, vertical luxury in Tijuana with breathtaking views from this high-rise haven. Our next luxury stop is a small upscale corner mini-mall with residential rentals above chic stores, a trendy spot for anyone looking to combine urban living with convenience right at their doorstep. This one-bedroom loft, located above the commercial spaces, offers a unique blend of residential comfort and urban energy. Embrace modern, clean design in a stylish loft that perfectly blends comfort with vibrant city life. Time to get spicy with more streetwise rental options. Check out this Art Deco guest house, a standout in the neighborhood, minimalistic with a creative flair, perfect for those seeking a unique living space. This furnished guest house offers a cozy, down-to-earth vibe, with all the essentials for a comfortable stay. Its simple yet colorful design reflects the spirit of Tijuana. Experience vernacular, fun, down-to-earth living in Tijuana's Calete neighborhood. Next, we visit a walled property with a private rental area. With lush greenery surrounding the walls, this property offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. This property offers both privacy and affordability in one of Tijuana's most charming neighborhoods. This private one-bedroom unit comes with its own street access and modern, affordable living in a solid space. Enjoy modern, well-built, and affordable living in the heart of Tijuana. Our final stop is a small apartment building located in a gated complex. This practical and affordable option offers safety and community in the peaceful Calete area. Enjoy this peaceful retreat while still staying connected to the lively pulse of Tijuana. This one-bedroom unit provides a cozy and inexpensive living option, perfect for anyone looking for a low-maintenance condo-style lifestyle. Live the simple, inexpensive condo-motel lifestyle in this quiet, gated getaway. Thank you for visiting. Remember that Southern California is international and San Diego is Tijuana. Be sure to explore our other south of the border destinations.